Hi there, I'm Michael Coleman. I'm here at the South Bay in Scarborough at the stunning Victorian venue called the Spa Theatre, which is absolutely magnificent. There used to be a spa here which first brought people here for its health benefits, but the Spa Theatre's here now, which is really stunning on the beachfront as well, and it has this lovely outdoor section here. A lovely inside, if you can see. There's a festival on there today, Fortress. You can see that lovely black and white marbled floor. They often have bands playing there, orchestras as well, and on a sunny day, absolutely stunning. And then you've got the beaches over there. Tide's going out at the moment, so yeah, wonderful beach. The rest of the bay over to there, the port. There we go, and lots of amenities, restaurants, amusements all around the bay until we get to the Grand Hotel, the iconic Grand Hotel, then back here to this beautiful, wonderful masterpiece of the spa. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. Definitely worth a visit. Thanks.